Greetings from Uganda Centre for ITI. We appreciate the tireless effort the ITI Worldwide Secretariat and partners they have put in to make this assembly a reality. The fact that the assembly is a reality and is taking place goes to show that we can keep theatre alive and thriving, a theme we have chosen for our community empowerment this year. To ensure theatre lives and thrives, we are doing a number of things. Among them is we are taking back theatre to the grassroots where it was uprooted. Currently, theatre in Uganda, like elsewhere in the world, has been affected by COVID-19 pandemic, as well as the perennial socio-political, economic, and cultural conditions. Our center and the Uganda Theatre Fraternity, we have opted to keep theatre alive. We are ensuring this by engaging and having most people come on board. As such, the center is working together with the communities to find how we can use the traditional forms of theatrical performances and communication to energize participation in the community's performances, especially those which are drawn from our rich repertoire of folkloric engagements and performances. We are also encouraging performing artists and upcoming theatre practitioners to continue writing their comedies, their satires, and tragedies of our times. But we cannot allow theatre to stop as long as humanity endures. We cannot allow theatre to stop. We must ensure that theatre lives and thrives in the hands of those who are to take theatre forward. Thank you to you all who have made this rare General Assembly possible. The struggle continues.